Hey guys, what's up? It's ArcadeCode here, and welcome back to my Unity tutorial for episode 4. So last episode we looked at the script we created, and this episode we just want to make it so that we can control this cube with our keys. So if you go in the Edit tab and Project Settings Input, you have these axes. So when you load it up, you should see something similar to this right now. You can expand it here and, for example, horizontal, and you see you have negative button left and positive button right. So what this does is an axis is basically a value from 0 to -1 and 1, and by default it will be 0. And when you press left on this example, it will go towards -1, and when you press right, the positive button, it will go towards 1. And it will do this really smoothly, and it will never go over 1 or -1. So you can see the gravity and the sensitivity is the speed at which it will. So gravity is the speed at which it will return back to the center, being 0, and sensitivity is the speed to which it will go to the left and right, using the two buttons. So we will be using this in our scripts. You can see that each of the different ones, for example, vertical has up and down. Fire only has 1, so it will just go up and then back down to 0, but never go down below. So it's a very neat way to be able to use inputs and have them smoothed out. So to access these commands, you go to your script and say input dot get axes. So input is the input game object in this instance, I believe, which is not inside your Unity project because it's handled by Unity. And getAxes needs one argument. In this case, we want to use the name of the axis we want to find the position of. In this case, we need horizontal. So simply type horizontal in here. So the reason why I put these quotation marks is because horizontal is a string, and getAxes needs a string to be able to find what it needs. We can just simply copy and paste it right here, and instead of horizontal, we want vertical. Just simply save this and go back to your game and press play. Now you should be able to control your cube using the arrow keys. So what the script exactly does is it says to take the transform and translate it in the X direction. It will try to find out where the axis is by using this function right here, input.getAxes, and what the axis you need. And it does the same one for the Z axis. Now remember that Y is the up vector and not the width. So this is all for this episode, guys. So we got this cube to move around. We can even go in the scene view whilst you're still playing the game to see it in the scene view, even though we do have problems with the camera, but it should still work inside the game view. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time for another video on how to make this script better using timing.